see, here's the 68 International running. I had to rob a battery out of my personal truck over there. Anyhow, little fuel down the carburetor, cranked it over and it started up. Truck has not been started since last fall. Probably needs a good tune-up, points and so on. Rebuilt 392 big block.